Ardennes, France, April 2023. The violent weather has swept across northern eastern France over the past couple of days, wreaking havoc and causing some damage. On Wednesday afternoon, a pea-sized hail fell on Charleville-Mézières, a community in the Ardennes department.
Il grêle. Ça fait à peine 2 minutes que ça a commencé.
The hailstorms are quite subtle but quickly widen the roads. Many in the neighborhood did the same, witnessing how the hail had left their homes and cars, and holes in the siding of their homes, glass windows broken, dents and windshields broken. Most of the residents chose not to leave their homes and only witnessed the storms and hail by capturing the moment.